By definition, pH is equal to the negative log of the concentration of H+. As I've already mentioned elsewhere, H+ is interchangeable with H3O+, at least if you're in an aqueous solution. So H+ is sort of a lazy person's way of writing down H3O+, but nonetheless, that's sort of what we've got. I've got pH being set equal to negative log of H+ concentration. What I want to do is algebraically get H+ concentration to be on one side and everything else on the other. First things first, I can times both sides by a -1 to get rid of this negative sign. Hopefully you're okay with me just doing that like this. That will give me a negative pH on the left side. Hopefully you're good. Now, how do I get rid of this log? When we see log in the world of math, that means log base 10. So it's a logarithmic scale based on base 10. Anyway, the way we get rid of a log is by treating this whole thing as an exponent over 10. And we do the same thing to both sides. In other words, if I raise 10 to the log of the concentration, this now becomes an exponent over 10. I do it to the other side. I now end up having the log and the 10 cancel each other out. That leaves then H+'s concentration being equal to 10 raised to the negative pH. That's a beautiful mathematical expression because if you know the pH, you can calculate the concentration of H+, and conversely, if you know the concentration of H+, you can use it to calculate the pH.